Hey everyone, more of my hydraulics order has arrived and my exoskeleton is about to get hydraulicked up. That probably sounds ridiculous, but it just means that there's going to be a bunch of hydraulics stuffed into this exoskeleton. And if you don't know what hydraulics are, you've probably seen a machine like this. And when you look on the machine, this right here is a hydraulic cylinder. That's a hydraulic cylinder. That's a hydraulic cylinder. Those are basically the force multipliers, the muscles that allow machines like that to rip out trees, smash granite, rip terrain, and whatever they do, forklifts. It allows them to lift hundreds of pounds, thousands of pounds. And that's what I'm putting on my exoskeleton. This is enough to put about 200 more pounds of muscle on there. So these four right here are for the legs, these two and those two, one on each leg, one of this one of that one on each leg. There's actually two more cylinders that I'm waiting for the legs, so I only have four of the six. These two right here are going to replace the bicep cylinders right there. So if you take a look at this right here is going to be replaced by this. So in other words, those biceps are going to be a beast. Right now, with that cylinder, based on the calculations using Pascal's law, and Pascal's law is the principle of physics that governs hydraulics and pneumatics for that matter. It says that based on the system pressure of this exoskeleton, each arm could curl over 500 pounds, which is 227 kilos. But so far I've been limited to 340 pounds, which is about 154 kilos, because the motor on my power unit doesn't have the horsepower or the wattage in electrical terms to power the pump at those high load levels. But adding these larger cylinders will reduce the load on the pump and therefore should get me there. And potentially even higher if I dare try. So anyways, I'm looking forward to getting this stuff on. Oh, these right here are the solenoids which send oil to the individual cylinders, and these are the manifolds, and these solenoids are mounted to the manifolds. And I have four more of these. I just haven't unpackaged them, and I'm going to need some more, and I'm still waiting for two more of these manifolds to arrive, which I ordered, but they were back ordered. So it's a bunch of stuff right here.